Welcome back to the channel. Let me start with a simple question. Have you ever received an email saying, "Your account will be suspended. Urgent action required. You have won a job offer"? If yes, then this video is extremely important for you. Today, we are going to talk about phishing emails. How hackers use emails to steal your data, money, and accounts. And most importantly, how you can protect yourself. This video is for everyone who uses email. Let's start. What is a phishing email? A phishing email is a fake email sent by hackers, designed to look like it comes from a trusted company or person. The goal is simple. Steal your password. Steal your personal information. Or infect your device with malware. Real example. You receive an email like this. Subject: Security Alert. Your account has unusual activity. Please verify your account immediately by clicking the link below. The email looks professional. It uses logos, official language, and urgency. But once you click the link and enter your details, you are sending your information directly to a hacker. This is phishing. How to recognize fake bank emails. Fake bank emails are one of the most common scams. Red flags in fake bank emails. Generic greeting like, "Dear customer." Urgent language, "Act now or account will be blocked." Suspicious sender email. Spelling or grammar mistakes. Links that don't match the bank's official website. Important rule. Banks never ask for passwords, PIN codes, OTP codes by email or SMS. If an email asks for these, it is 100% fake. The truth behind account suspended emails. Your account has been suspended. Emails are designed to create fear and panic. Hackers know that when people panic, they stop thinking. These emails often say, "Verify within 24 hours. Immediate action required. Final warning. Reality check." Real companies notify you inside your account. Do not force instant action. Do not threaten you by email. Fear is the weapon. Don't fall for it. Fake job offer emails. Fake job offer emails are increasing rapidly. You may receive an email saying, "Congratulations. You are selected for a high-paying job." Red flags. No interview. High salary for simple work. Asking for registration fees. Asking for ID documents immediately. No real company. Charges money to hire you. Hires without interviews. These emails are either data theft scams or money scams. What to check before clicking on email links. Before clicking any link, always check. Hover over the link, don't click. See the real URL. Check. Is the domain correct? Any spelling mistakes? Extra words or numbers? For example, bank-secure-login.com is scam. Bankname.com is real. If you are unsure, open browser manually. Visit official website yourself. When is opening the attachments are dangerous? Email attachments are very dangerous if they come from unknown sources. Common dangerous attachments: .exe, .zip, .html, .docm, .xlsm. Never open attachments from unknown senders that say, "urgent" or "invoice" unexpectedly. These files can Install malware. Spy on your activity. Lock your files, ransomware. Gmail and Outlook security tips. To secure your email. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Use a strong, unique password. Check login activity regularly. Don't auto-download attachments. Mark suspicious emails as spam/phishing. Gmail and Outlook are secure. But your habits matter more. What to do if your email is hacked? If you think your email is hacked, change password immediately. Enable 2FA. Log out from all devices. Check sent emails. Inform contacts if spam was sent. Secure linked accounts, bank, social media. The email account is the master key. If hackers control it, they can reset everything else. Most cyber attacks don't happen because hackers are smart. They happen because people are unaware. Emails are the #1 attack method. If you understand phishing, you can protect your accounts, your money, your identity. Like this video. Subscribe to Forge IT Skill for more simple and practical cybersecurity awareness videos to help you protect yourself from hacking. Until next time, stay alert, stay safe online.